this video, we'll share some secret tricks to save battery juice on any Windows laptop. Let's get started. First and foremost, begin by identifying and closing the apps that drain a significant amount of battery. Press the Windows and I keys to open the Settings app. Then select System from the sidebar. Navigate to Power and Battery and open Battery Usage. Scroll down to view the battery usage per app. Now click on the three dots icon next to the app, go to Manage Background Activity. Scroll down and click on Terminate. Occasionally, applications utilize the laptop's built-in GPU. In such cases, you can limit how much GPU each app consumes. To configure this, press the Windows and I keys to open Settings. Choose System from the sidebar and navigate to Display. Under Related Settings, click on Graphics and scroll down to select the app you want to configure. Click on Options and choose Power Saving. If you're unsure, choose Let Windows Decide and save your choice. Additionally, conserve battery by turning off the keyboard backlight in well-lit environments. Lastly, tweak your Windows laptop power mode. Open Settings, go to System, and click on Power and Battery. Select Best Power Efficiency in the Power Mode tab. We hope these tips help you save battery on your Windows laptop. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to Guiding Tech and dive into one of these videos we've handpicked just for you.